Introducing Changing Faces Mega Lace products. Okay, I'm going to walk you through step by step of the application of the products. Here, I took a small piece of lace. This is not high definition, it's transparent lace. And I'm applying some powdered contour. And I'm just going to apply it onto one side and I'm going to set it aside. And I'm also using the Beautify Me collection brush, as you can see there in the clips. Okay, this is the Skin Guard, the MeggaGuard Skin Protect. You want to apply at least 1 or 2 coats, depending on the sensitivity of your skin. My skin is pretty sensitive, so I applied 2 coats, and you want to wait until each coat is dry. Normally you want to cool with the blow dryer on a cool setting until the surface is like soft to touch, like a smooth surface. So here I tried to let it air dry, and I was like, you know what, let me just use a blow dryer. This is my second coat, and I'm going to dry it on a cool setting like I stated. And it only takes just a couple of seconds to dry. I sped up the video here, but it normally takes about 10 to 15 seconds. It doesn't take long. And see, it's like smoothly touch. And this is the MeggaBond Ultra. It's sweat resistant. It has a MeggaHold. It dries clear. It's really a good product. I searched high and low, guys. I searched high and low. But this is, I'm applying 2 coats. And you want to make sure that you distribute your glue evenly. You ever get into a situation where, you know, one side of the lace is glued good and the other side is not? Like, you have to watch your application. Making sure that you distribute each coat evenly. And then you want to dry it on a cool setting also until it's clear. And then you apply your next coat. And like I said, this normally takes seconds as well, 10 to 15 seconds. My second coat. Also, if you're interested in any of the wigs, just check the website, changingfaces.com. They're all custom made, handmade. Okay, I'm going to dry it in a cool setting until it's clear, of course. Now it's time for the application of the lace. Just want to press the lace down. And you want to use a tool to press the lace. I know it's tempting sometimes to use your hand to push it in, but your hand has oil, natural oils on your skin. You may interfere with the adhesion process, and that may cause a white residue as well. So you take a tool, just press it down in. For video purposes, just because it's on my hand, I'm going to use a elastic band. I'm going to have to tie it around my hand just to help the melt. It's kind of awkward. It's like, how am I going to do this? I was only able to lay like the front down. So. Step after this will be the melting spray. So I'm going to dry this. And you're going to make sure, you got all your corners and cracks. And all your laces laid down to your desired. Take one of my makeup Q-tips, just pressing down in there, and I clean up the edge with alcohol. And you get up the residual glue before laying down anything else. Okay, this is the melting spray. Called MeggaHold. Spray it like so, pat it in there good, and then you tie it up. Put your melting band on like so. Apply some cool heat. Can you apply cool air? Apply some cool air. And as a little bonus, this is Change Your Face's coconut shine oil, and it's like multi-purpose. It's for natural hair. It gives a wonderful shine for like 2 or 3 days. It's lightweight. It's like really good. But I've learned that I can take off the lace by applying this. And you know how you want to save your lace? This leaves absolutely no residue on your lace. You don't have to tug and pull and scrape off glue. It comes off effortlessly, like you have to watch and see. I sprayed it a few times and I rubbed it in, and I just pulled it up. And you will have a tiny coat, a thin coat of adhesive left on your skin, but you can easily get that up with either remover, or in my case I just put down some conditioner, some leave-in conditioner, and let it sit there for like 10-15 minutes. I forgot about it and came back and just rubbed it off. I figure less chemicals, the better. So this is just my approach. Whatever works for you with removing your lace. But I found that this actually saves your lace. And you can also grab that at changeyourfaces.com as well. See? Nothing. You wipe off the oil and just like that, voila. So check me out. check me out and come back for more content, you know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video. It will be greatly appreciated. Again, changing faces, new Megga line, the MeggaHold, MeggaBond, and MeggaGuard.